What's up, my loves? Welcome, welcome. I am Tanya Nicole. And what's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? Welcome, guys. Today we are tackling the Ipsy Glam bag. If you saw my plus video from Monday, if you haven't, I'm gonna link it up here, also down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think of that overall value. So Ipsy hit me with the since you get to pick your own products now, the value might not be at $120 based on the products that you pick, and don't forget to add $8 for the bag. So have you guys known them to include the $8 bag as a product? I haven't. And even if my choices, how do they want me to get a good value if the choices that they give me are very cheaply priced? So how am I supposed to get the $120 value and half the products I really don't even want? So y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, especially about the part with the bag being $8. Like, okay, Ipsy. Anywho, today we're going to be doing the Glam bag, which y'all know I have loved for a long time. Today's drink, guys, is a little pink Moscato. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Before we get started, guys, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. Now let's get into this Ipsy Glam bag. All right, guys, so this one is the $12 per month Glam bag. You get 5 deluxe sample size with the occasional full size product each month for only $12, which is not bad. I will have a link down below, guys, if you want to sign up for Ipsy. And yeah, let's see what this bag do and get it on and poppin', boo. So this is the month's bag right here. It's okay. This color blocked. It's cute, I guess. Let's go ahead on and open her up. Does come with a little card, and the theme for the month is Be Present. On the inside, they do give us all of the products and the prices, and we will go over all of that. So let's just start pulling out. This will probably be a short video today, guys. Sorry, but I have a lot of errands to run. All right, so first up, I'm going to show you guys my choice item, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick right there. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And this is in the shade Dead Roses, I think. Yes, Dead Roses. Open it up. And this is what the shade looks like, a beautiful little mauve color. We're gonna swatch it on the back of my hand so that you guys can see. And that's what it looks like. I absolutely love this color. So I'm excited about this. I thought it would be a little bigger. I didn't see the word mini when I chose it. So that was my bad, guys. But this is a deluxe sample size. The full size of this one retails for $18. And I do love the color. It looks very pretty. Then they gave from First Aid Beauty this Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer right there. And I do love First Aid Beauty's products. Their facial moisturizers, their cleansers are so bomb. So I do love receiving them in my subscription boxes. You get 9.6 grams of product in here. Let's open it up. It does not have a little safety seal, so I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out so that I can feel the texture. That's what it looks like, guys. And when we blend it out, it's just like a nice little moisturizer. It feels really good on the skin. And I am excited to get this and try this one out. This is a deluxe size, and the full size retails for $34. So let me know if you like First Aid Beauty. I really do. Then we have from Avent. I know I'm probably saying that wrong. This is the Fresh Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser right there, my loves. And you have about this much product in there, but they say you get, oh my goodness, 15 milliliters of product. I've never heard of this brand before. If you have, please let me know. But this is from smoky eyes to bold looks. This multitasking cleanser will remove every last trace of your most dramatic beauty looks. It foams up to dissolve makeup, removes dirt and oils, and purifies your pores. Great for keeping your skin healthy and clean without causing dryness. Okay, cool. So this again is a deluxe sample, and the full size retails for $12. So all right, I can give this a try. I love products that take all of my makeup off because I hate having to do triple and double cleansing. Well, I always do double cleansing, but I hate to have to go over it more than twice because y'all know I be tired at night. And then next up, guys, we have from Kokie Cosmetics, which is sold in CVS and Sally's. I think it's CVS if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Soft Glow Highlighter. It's a natural finish, a unique texture, and it's blendable. This is what the box looks like right there, my loves. And I don't think I own anything from Kokie Cosmetics. I don't know. I'm going to have to check and see. But this is the packaging right there. I don't want to bring it too close to blind. Well, I could. Okay, that's the packaging right there, my loves. And we have the shade Heavenly, which also describes your girl. That's how it looks right there. And let's take a little swatch. Ooh, it feels really, really, really soft. We're just gonna spread it out right. Oh, it's like butter, guys. Oh my goodness, it feels like butter. I love it. It is so, so pretty. Okay, I'm excited about this. I hope this is the full size, and it is. And this one retails for $5.99, my loves. All right, the formula feels really nice. All right, so last up, we do have this product here, and this is the Mote. I'm sure it stands for something, MOTD Cosmetics. This is a perfect 10 tapered face brush. This is the full size, guys. That retails for $22. So we take it out. Y'all know I love getting brush. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, wait. This is a beautiful brush. That's what the packaging looks like. But look at these bristles. Oh my goodness, it's so fat. Oh, this is perfect for me putting on maybe my blush, setting my under eyes even. Definitely, I don't know. I could just use this for all over my face, really. Oh my goodness, I love this brush. It feels kind of expensive. The look is nice. I just especially love these bristles. This would be perfect for my blush. I know it would, guys, just to kind of diffuse that product. Oh, I love it. I love it. $22. Let me know if you got this brush and your thoughts on it. All right. And then last but not least, the bag, which is not even included on my price list, which makes me know even more so that Ipsy is full of when they tell me that they include the bag as a product. Let me take a drink on that one. Okay, my loves, that was our final product. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Kokie Cosmetics this highlighter right here in Heavenly. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, this beautiful lipstick right here. From Avant, this coconut facial cleanser. First Aid Beauty, the moisturizer. And MOTD, this tapered brush. These 5 products right here, my loves. Final thoughts on this month's Ipsy Glam bag. For the most part, I do like the products in this month's bag. These 3 right here are my absolute favorite. I know that I will get use out of all of them. I especially like this brush. I have to go on their site and order more because they are, oh, I'm going to try it out first before I order, but I'm telling you, I think this is such a great quality brush. But these 3 products are makeup products, and I absolutely love them. I can definitely use this highlighter on my skin. I could definitely wear this lipstick. So those 3 are thumbs up for me. The 2 other products, First Aid Beauty, I love their products, so I'm happy to receive this, and I will be trying this out. So I think that for the most part, it was a pretty decent box this month, well, bag this month. Let me know in the comments down below what you got. Let me know if our bags are similar, if we're twinning or not. And yes, guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it inside the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? Your girl, Tanya Nicole, gonna give it a solid 4.5. Yeah. I love the bag, guys. So we're going to give it a 4.5 for this month. Yes, so that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are preparing a big feast for tomorrow. It's Thanksgiving Day, and I'm off from work, so I will be spending it with my family. Very small, socially distanced, and wearing my mask except for when I'm eating and or drinking. But it's gonna be very small, guys. We're not having a big old family thing this year because COVID is real, boo, and I ain't trying to get it. So let me know, guys, down below what you're cooking, what you're doing. Let me know about your Black Friday plans. Let's talk, girl. Y'all know we never caught up in a long time, so y'all let me know, okay? And I'm gonna go now and get me I don't know what I'm gonna go do. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna go do. But if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give me a big thumbs up for this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those links are down below. Ipsy's link is down below. And that's all I got, boo. So y'all stay safe. Practice social distancing. Wear your mask. Please, no large gatherings, guys. We gotta try to get ahead of this thing. We really do. I love you guys dearly. Stay safe and blessed. Bye. Oh, wait, y'all like my nails? Girl, I got these from Dollar General for $3. Girl, that is what? All right, guys. Bye.